In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your job-seeking preferences on LinkedIn. Knowing how to fine-tune these settings can significantly enhance your job search experience and make your profile work for you in the best possible way. First things first, let's get started on this simple but effective task. You'll want to open up your browser and head over to LinkedIn's website. If you're not already logged in, it's time to sign in. You have several options here. You can log in with your Google account, your Microsoft account, or simply by using your email address and password. Choose the method that's most convenient for you. A quick tip for privacy-conscious users: if you're using a shared or public computer, it might be a good idea to skip the option to stay signed in. Also, if you have two-factor authentication enabled for extra security, you may be prompted to verify your account. LinkedIn will send a code to your registered phone number, so make sure you've got your phone handy to complete this step. While it might take an extra moment, this step is essential for keeping your account secure. Once you're logged in, it's time to focus on your profile. You'll do this by clicking on your icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. This section is essentially your control center for managing everything related to your LinkedIn account's privacy and customization. Now, head over to the Data Privacy section. LinkedIn really offers a robust set of options here, including how your data is used to who can see what on your profile. However, what we're interested in today falls under the job-seeking preferences area. So, go ahead and click on that. In the job-seeking preferences section, you have the opportunity to really tailor your job search experience. Here, you'll find a range of options to personalize your preferences. For example, the job application settings allow you to control how your profile is shared when you apply for jobs. If location matters to you, you can also adjust commute preferences to factor in how far you're willing to travel for a job. Take your time here to explore what aligns best with your career ambitions. As you adjust these settings, you're making it easier for LinkedIn to surface the most relevant opportunities and for recruiters to find you based on your targeted preferences. This not only makes your job search more efficient but also aligns it with your career goals. Once you're satisfied with how you've customized your settings, be sure to save your changes before exiting. And that's it. You've successfully tailored your LinkedIn settings to reflect what you're looking for in your next job opportunity. By taking these steps, you're setting yourself up to connect with the roles and organizations that suit you best. Thank you for tuning in, and happy job hunting.